Howdy crew, got a new job with the rig. Let's get to it.
Howdy crew, I'm William Morris, President and CEO of the Welding Cowboy Corporation, certified licensed welder and owner-operator of a welding rig based out of Los Angeles, California. On here I'll be going over welding knowledge, what it's like to own and operate a welding rig, welding blueprints, welding math, welding equipment, and so much more. Welcome to the channel. I'm William Morris, the Welding Cowboy.
So I'm very happy, got another job with the rig coming up. I went out and inspected the project today. It is a gate that was hit by a concrete truck. And so the mixer went past the job site, had to get turned around, ran into this really nice metal gate. It is really nice looking, but once you look at the craftsmanship that was put into it, actually wasn't the best gate. So the contractor is having to pay for the gate to be fixed. That's where I come in. So I took pictures, kind of looking at different things, and I'm showing some of the pictures right now of what I was looking at. Some things weren't aligned, and it's going to be interesting to straighten them out. I have several ideas already that won't involve cutting the gate off, because that's what was the initial idea that I was throwing out. Will the gate have to be cut off? And I don't believe it will have to be. I should be able to straighten out the post, and then the gate will be straightened out, and then some other things have to be welded. There's some pretty bad welds. Someone came out to weld the top piece on, and it was really, really bad. And I have some pictures of that as well. It just wasn't the best. It's going to be an interesting project because it's already rusted through from the inside. There's holes in the gate. As nice of a gate it is, there's already holes in it, and it's rusting from the inside out. So the paint looks good, but if you peel off some of the paint, the powder coating that's on it, you can see that it's rusting already, and it's rusting pretty bad. So I have to be mindful of this when welding it, and you always want to make sure that you look at that before you start arcing on something. If it's already rusting, you have to bring that amperage down. So it's going to be a really interesting project. Going to be doing it tomorrow. Y'all get to see everything I do on it for tomorrow. I'll have that posted, and I'm just very excited to work on it. It's a lot of fun to kind of brainstorm what's going to be going on. Am I going to do this to make it come back this way? I'm going to do that. And so there's going to be some things that have to be done with it that are just going to be fun. And that's, again, the reason of being with the rig. It's not the same project, same structural thing over and over and over. It is thinking about things. All right, let's look at this project. How's it going to be fixed? It's pretty messed up. What's going to be done to straighten this out? What's going to be done to bring this over? It's a lot of steel, a lot of metal, and it's ornamental. You don't want to be taking this thing off, having it lay on the ground, bending a bunch of these decorative metal flowers that are on it, because it's going to ruin it. So you have to be mindful of that. And to me, it's just a blast because I love having that what has to be done, brainstorm on this, brainstorm on that, and then get it done. Obviously, you can't just sit there all day and think about it. You have to get some ideas and run with it, go from plan A to plan B and so forth, and see what happens. And sometimes it's trial and error. Sometimes it's just plan A works, which is fantastic, but that's not always the case. I'm assuming my plan A for straightening it out will work just fine, and I'm going to be trying to use some of the chains and come-alongs to basically bring the post back together, which will straighten out the gate a good amount. There's some other things that have to be welded on as well that I was talking to the contractor about, but you all get to see how everything goes tomorrow, which I'm very excited about, and I'll see y'all in that vlog.